Hey guys, Brian here from Liquid Concepts. Going to be doing something a little bit different today. We're going to be actually rolling a motorcycle gas tank. So it's going to be pretty cool. This one is a little bit different because it's actually just a sample, so it's hollow, so we're able to kind of do it without it being real buoyant and everything. So hope you guys enjoy it. We'll kind of go over a little bit about it, and then we'll get to spraying and go. So pretty much we got everything all taped off. We've got our flames on here. What this customer's wanting is a silver snakeskin with the white on it, just to kind of make it real subtle. And so we're going to dip this thing and actually roll it all the way across. So hope you guys will enjoy this video. I know this is definitely going to be something really neat. Alright, looks like everything looks really well, looks activated, so we're going to start. Alright, so we're going to start right here, and we're going to just roll it all the way around. So start in here, start going down with it. Roll it all the way around. And that is how you roll a gas tank. And you won't get any lines. Normally if we did this, we put a line right down here, right in the middle, and then we do this side and that side. But in this case, since we're doing everything and we want it kind of seamless, now we're able to take this, roll it all the way around right here, come back around just like y'all saw, and then go all the way up here. Of course, we don't care anything about that, it's all taped off. So whenever we pull off all this tape and everything, we're gonna have a really neat effect for pretty much some ghost flames with the silver snakeskin. So hope you guys enjoyed it.